video, we discussed about what is a quadratic equation and what is its standard form and how we can represent the given information in the form of a quadratic equation. Then how we can solve the quadratic equation? There are different methods to find the solution of a quadratic equation. On first method, we discuss the roots of quadratic equation. That is our today's topic. Okay. What do you mean by roots of quadratic equation? The solution of a quadratic equation is where it is 0. That solution are roots of quadratic equation. If we represent the quadratic equation in the form of graph, normally the graph of a quadratic equation is curve, and on 2 points the quadratic equation touch the axis. These are the solutions of quadratic equation. These solutions are known as roots of quadratic equation. I will explain it. If p of x is a polynomial, and it is divided by x minus a, and if p of a is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of p of x. That is, p of x, the polynomial, is 0 at the point a. That means a is the root or solution of the quadratic equation. That we already discussed as in the remainder theorem and in the factor theorem. Let's check with some examples, then it becomes more clear. Consider the example. The quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and two values are given, x is equal to -1 and -1. Determine the given values are the roots of this quadratic equation. We already said that if p of a is equal to 0, then a is the root of that root or solution of that quadratic equation. Let's check. P of x is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. First take x is equal to 1. That is, p of 1 equal to 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. That is equal to 1 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. That means at the point x is equal to 1, this p of x becomes 0. That means 1 is the solution or root of the given quadratic equation. Let's check with -1. P of -1 is equal to -1 square plus 4 into -1 minus 5. That is 1. 4 into -1 is -4 minus 5. That is not equal to 0. That means at the point x is equal to -1, p of x, the value of p of x is not 0. That means minus 1 is not a root of this quadratic equation, and 1 is a root of quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5. Minus 1 is not a root of this quadratic equation, and 1 is the root of one root of quadratic equation. Normally quadratic equation have two roots. In this case, 1 is its one root. Consider the next example. 2m square minus 5m equal to 0, and the values of m are 2 and 5 by 2. Determine these two values are whether roots of this given quadratic equation. How we can check it? For that, P of m equal to 2m square minus 5m. First take the value of 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2. 2 square 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus 5 into 2, 10. That is equal to minus 2. That means this is not equal to 0. This indicates what? At the point 2, the value of this quadratic equation is not 0. That means 2 is not a root of the given quadratic equation. Let's check with the value of 5 by 2. P of 5 by 2 equal to 2 into, at the place of m substitute 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 square minus 5 into 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 square becomes 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2. That is equal to 0. Which means 5 by 2 is a root of the given quadratic equation 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. In this way, we can determine whether the given value is the root or solution of a given quadratic equation. Just substitute the given value at the place of variable. This is the first method to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Consider this question. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, and 3 is a root of this given quadratic equation. Then find the value of k. 3 is a root means P of 3 is equal to 0. P of x is equal to kx square minus 10x plus 3. Then P of 3 equal to k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3. 9k minus 30 plus 3. That is equal to 9k minus 27. P of 3 is equal to 9k minus 27. And its value is 0. That means we can equate 9k minus 27 equal to 0. That implies 9k equal to 27. That is, therefore, k equal to 27 by 9 is equal to 3. The value of k equal to 3. In this section, we discuss one method to find the solution of a quadratic equation. At the point where the quadratic equation becomes 0 is known as the root or solution of quadratic equation. Thank you.